Hello, good morning students. Welcome to our college YouTube channel. I am Assistant Professor Suryakant Adate from Sri Mudhai Devi Shikshan Samstha's Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College Deur. Today's presentation is for BA Part 3 English Novel. Today is our second lecture on general topics. And presentation topic is Rise and Development of the Novel. It is true that the English novel as a form of literature emerged in the first half of the 18th century. However, the rise of English novel was not so sudden. Many other forms of fictions contribute for its development, and then the early 18th century becomes the rich flowering time of modern novel. Many romance, heroic tales, adventure stories, periodical essay, satire, etc. paved the way for the growth of novel form. Novel writing emerged as logical sequence to the periodical essay. It was comprehensive unit in itself in which the writer was able to develop characters of his choice and present real life situations in an imaginary fashion. For example, Boccaccio, an Italian writer, wrote Decameron, which was called Novella Stories, is an important document in the rising of novel form. Other examples are Chaucer's Canterbury Tales, Thomas Nash's The Unfortunate Traveller, John Bunyan's The Pilgrim's Progress. Addison and Stille's The Tatler and The Spectator contributed a lot for the development of modern novel. These varied literary works and forms of literature creates background for the rise of novel. As a matter of fact, Daniel Defoe was the first novelist who wrote a realistic novel like Moll Flanders. However, Samuel Richardson's Pamela or Virtue Rewarded, which was published in 1740, is regarded as first English novel, and Samuel Richardson is called as father of English novel. Following are the factors that led to rise of English novel. First, end of romance and beginning of realistic novel. In the 17th century, romance, which was a story of love and adventure, was very popular. Gradually, English readers got famous with these romances. They were in search of something that is new, French, and real, and that's why realistic novel of Daniel Defoe are welcomed by readers. Second, decline of drama. No forms of literature have remained popular in all the ages. It can be stated that the novel grows as the drama declined in 18th century. In 1737, Theatrical Licensing Act was implemented and that prevented writers from writing plays. For example, Henry Fielding stopped writing comic plays and turned to novel reading. In the 18th century, the novels which were written full of dramatic scenes and it is famous, these novels are called as dramatic novel. Third, impact of Don Quixote. In the 17th century, the Spanish novelist Cervantes wrote Don Quixote. It is picaresque novel in which the master and servant are trapped in several misadventures. 18th century novelists were tremendously influenced by this novel. Then, all the English picaresque novels of the 18th century were modeled on Don Quixote. Henry Fielding declares on the title page that novel is written in manners of Cervantes. Fourth, spectator essay and rise of English novel. Joseph Addison and Richard Steele founded The Spectator in 1711. The essays were published in The Spectator had a great impact on novelists. In The Spectator essays, characters were introduced secondly. Social life in London was described in essay. The style of writing was informal and intimate. All these features appeared in the English novels, and so it is said that the Spectator essays paved the grounds for novel writing. Fifth point, end of royal patronage and new leadership. Royal patronage came to an end and it was replaced by the patronage of readers. Most of the readers were tradesmen who forms the middle class in England. Dr. Samuel Johnson calls England as a nation of readers. It is important to note that women took interest in reading novel. Beside there was spread of education and there were circulating libraries also. Traders and manufacturers are very large in number. They get plenty of leisure, so they turn reading for pleasure and relaxation. They want to read about their own thoughts, motives, and struggle. They want such a form of literature which reflects or mirrors their own life. They find it in novel form. And the last point is experiments. The novel form became very popular because of so many experiments were done by so many writers due to the story elements, narrative style, variation in characters gave novelty to the novel form. With this, we stop here. Thank you very much.